In this video, I'm going to talk about AI tool with the help of you can turn your long videos into the shorts and the multiple clips. Best part, it has some really good AI features that lets you automatically add the reframing, means it is going to track your face and going to put it in the middle of the video. It has the AI hook selection and the caption generation. So this tool name is the Snapcut, and if I talk about its pricing, it is starting from the $11 a month, but you can also get a free trial for the 60 minutes of your videos, but this is going to really limited here. Then it has also a lifetime deal available on the app store starting from the just $49, and compared to its official pricing, that is the $11 a month, it is really affordable because here you have to only pay the one-time payment, don't need to pay the monthly or the yearly subscription. Now let me tell you how you can use this platform here. So using this platform, I found it really easy. You only need your video link, whether it's on the Vimeo, in your Facebook, on your YouTube channel or any other platform. You only need the link to paste here. For example, I am going to copy this video link here. Let me copy the link. I got it. Now let me paste to this dashboard. And now I only need to click here on the get clips in one click. It is going to analyze the video. It is asking me to select the language of the video. It is English, but if I want to translate this video into the another language for generating the clips, I got also an option. You can see translate to other language. I have to enable or tick this box. Then after that I have to select the language. Then simply I need to click here on the generate button, and now it is going to turn this video into the multiple shorts, clips or the reels. Let me give you the example here. Right now you can see I got the around the 5 or 6 reels that out of this 5 minutes video. And the best part, what you are going to love it is going to give you the performance score. You can see out of 100 I got the 80 for this reel, and for this reel I got the 86. So instantly I get to know which clip I need to export and publish instantly on my social media platform. So let me play this video and give you the example.
In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the best tools on the softwares for the e-commerce you can find on the apps.
Okay, this is really good here, and there's also the few more things I want to tell you, like editing this reel. If you liked it as it is, you can simply download, but if you want to do some changes, there are the walkthrough you need to understand here. So first you can see you can change the font color or the font style. It has some pre-designed templates available for the font. Right now it has the font, let me show you, this kind of, but if I click here on this Kara, it is going to change. There's also this pop kind of the font option available, and this is another. I can also change the color of the font. Let me make it something like the green. So that's how you are basically going to edit your captions. Now there are the few more editing options available. The best one what I liked here is the B-roll. So in the middle of the video I can add the clips and the video part. For example, I have to just select the any part of this video. Okay, so let me select these words, and now you can see add B-roll. So let me click here. Now analyzing my keyword that I have selected here, it is going to show me and suggest me some of the videos that I can add as the B-roll. So I think this looks really good here, so I will select this one, click on the apply. Now this video portion will be added in this reel as the B-roll. Let me play the video and see whether it is going to appear or not.
Talk about some of the best tools on the softwares for the e-commerce you can find on the apps. Whether you want to research your niche.
Okay, it's appeared. So that's how you are also going to add the B-roll. So with this tool, this is going to let your clips or the short generation so much easy already. The videos you have published on your platforms like YouTube or the Facebook, it is going to add some effects. It is going to auto reframe, auto generate the subtitles, and it is going to also let you add the B-rolls that I have just showed you right now. So this is the Snapcut. The tool has the really potential to help you in your short generation out of the long videos. Right now, if you want to check it out, this tool, there's the free trial. You can get access for the 60 minutes, but it is going to give you the really less limits here. Okay, so what I suggest, get is lifetime deal, because here you will also get the 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you are not happy, you can return it within the 60 days, and it is starting from the just $49. If I go to the plans and features, it has the multiple plans available. In this single tier plan, you are going to get the 200 minutes per month. It means something like the 3 hours of the clips you can generate. and you want higher limits or the higher credit, you can consider buying their higher plans. Like in the tier 2 plan, you are going to get the 500 minutes, and in the tier 3, you are going to get 1650 minutes per month. So this is the tool that I want to talk about this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to stay updated with these kind of the AI tools and the reviews, updates, comparison, make sure to subscribe my channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.